Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Josh Atkins, and welcome to the Invest with Josh channel. So on this episode, I changed the name. It used to be Atkins Investing, which it kind of still is Atkins Investing, but I just decided to change it, Invest with Josh, because I thought it was catchier, and I just liked it. So an update on my Roth IRA, which is very exciting. We are over $5,000 now. We have put in $5,000. Yeah, we have invested $5,000. Our growth is $533.39. And, a lot of that's accounted for dividends, which is amazing. And you can see that all of our stocks, Johnson & Johnson, AT&T, Disney, Coca-Cola, Tapestry, AG&C, McDonald's, all of ABBV, all of these stocks are doing so good, which is exciting. And, not always are these stocks going to do this. Really, everybody just, you get lucky, or you have a smart decision at the time, and, you see that the company's doing well, and not every year is going to be an up year. Not every year is going to be a down year. But this year, it's looking like it's going pretty good. Look at ABBV. It's up almost 25%. That is really good. And they pay monthly, which I really like about that. Tapestry, I think I'm going to hold on to them, which this is in my Roth IRA, which you need to hold it forever. But as long as you, I'm pretty sure, I don't know 100% sure, but we'll find out when I file my taxes if you have to pay taxes on what you sell if it stays inside the Roth IRA. So if it stays in and you don't move it out of the account, then I think you're okay. But our biggest holding is Johnson & Johnson. Second is AT&T, and you can see that they're both over $1,000, and that's the main goal. As of next year, in 2020, the goal is to get Johnson & Johnson to $2,000 and AT&T to $2,000. So because those dividends that we're getting are very good, and that's what we want to use to retire. Maybe in 5 years, something like that. Besides this portfolio right here, the Roth IRA, we actually have our growth over time, which is what I'm going to start investing heavily in that once I max out the Roth. And we're going to try to retire early on dividends, and hopefully all will go well. But yeah, this is an update on the portfolio. We're sitting at $5,528. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and we will be depositing $1,000 on Friday. That is when I get paid. I work from 6 a.m. to 2:45, but we get overtime a lot. So yeah, I work a 8-hour job, which, well, most days it's almost like a 10-hour job. But yeah, 40 hours a week. I work 9 to 5, and I'm going to keep working that until it's possible for me to retire. And I want to retire early, because if not, I'm going to be working till I'm Social Security age. And by the time I get that age, I'm 20 years old. By the time I get there, Social Security is likely going to be broke, which is going to be sad. But yeah, this is my Roth IRA. We're sitting at $5,528.51 at 17.27% growth, which is amazing. I'll update you guys again once we max out the Roth IRA for 2019, which is going to be very exciting. We'll go into the 2020 very strong, and I will catch you guys in the next time. And this has been Investing with Josh.